bad day. And these people behind me are stupid for trying to want to pass me. Hope it doesn't explode. He's getting his fire extinguisher. It's gone, buddy.